These 10 ChatGPT prompts are so powerful it feels illegal to use them, but wait till you see number 7. It might just blow your mind. In this video, I'll show you 10 scary good ChatGPT prompts that can completely change the way you work, learn, and even live. And trust me, number 7 will blow your mind. So don't skip a second. These are the kinds of prompts professionals are quietly using to build businesses, automate tasks, and boost creativity. Let's dive right in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which prompt blew your mind the most. Act as my personal productivity assistant. Every morning at 8 a.m., give me a short, personalized to-do list based on the goals. Prioritize what matters most. What it does, ChatGPT becomes your daily life planner, tracking your goals and turning them into actionable tasks. Use it for time management, goal tracking, daily motivation. Save it as a custom GPT or automate with Zapier. I want to start a business with low startup cost. Based on my skills, give me 5 niche ideas with income potential and exact steps to start. What it does, gives you business ideas, startup plans, and even marketing strategies. Use it for side hustles, solopreneur ideas, passive income brainstorming. You might actually launch one right after this. Write a huge converting blog post on optimized for SEO, targeting these keywords. Make it sound human and engaging. What it does, instantly writes SEO optimized content ready to publish. Use it for blogging, affiliate marketing, freelance writing gigs. Pair with Grammarly or Surfer SEO for best results. Teach me the topic like I'm 12 years old, including simple explanations, analogies, and 5-day learning plan. What it does, turns ChatGPT into your personal tutor. Use it for learning new skills, mastering tough topics, AI-guided study plans. Works especially well for students or career switchers. Give me 20 viral YouTube video ideas in the niche space. Make them emotional, curiosity-driven, and designed to get high click-through rates. What it does, AI becomes your creative team, idea machine, and marketing mind. Use it for content creators, YouTubers, social media marketers. Try different tones, funny, emotional, shocking for better variety. Based on my background, write a 1-minute personal brand elevator pitch for LinkedIn or job interviews. What it does, crafts a polished, confident version of your story. Use it for job hunting, networking, building authority online. Try using this pitch in your LinkedIn About section. I want to create a full online course. Break it down into modules, create lessons titles, write the first lesson script, and suggest tools I'll need. What it does, this prompt builds an entire business model in one go. Use it for online courses, e-learning platforms, selling knowledge via Gumroad or Teachable. Why it's crazy? It builds your entire curriculum in 30 seconds. Add your voice plus visuals and you have a full product to sell. Analyze the writing style of this paragraph, then rewrite the following email or post in the same tone. What it does, creates personalized, consistent writing that sounds like you. Use it for branding, email marketing, social media posters. Ideal for copywriters and personal brands who want to stay on brand. Here's my resume. Write a cover letter for the job at Dash. Make it tailored and results focused. What it does, Write impressive, customized cover letters in seconds. Use it for job applications, internship pitches, freelance proposals. Ask it tweak tone, casual, formal, persuasive, etc. Act as my project manager. I'm launching a project. Create a detailed task list, timeline, tools I'll need, and a checklist to track progress. What it does gives structure to chaos, helping you plan and manage anything like a pro. Use it for freelance projects, side hustles, business launches. Try repairing with Trello, Notion, or ClickUp for workflow management. Recap of all 10 prompts: daily life assistant, business idea generator, SEO blog writer, learn anything tutor, viral idea machine, personal brand pitch, course creator prompt, tone cloner, resume plus cover letter, project manager. These are more than just prompts, they are productivity superpowers. Use them wisely and they can literally change your work, income, and life. Which prompt will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to unlock the true power of AI.